Now we are discussing about world facts. In that, climate change is causing flowers to change color. Don't worry, your prized red roses are not going to turn turquoise overnight, but an increase in UV radiation due to the ozone layer deteriorating over the past decades has caused flowers all over the globe to change. A 2020 study led by Clemson University scientists determined that the UV pigmentation in flowers has increased over time, which has led to the degradation of their pollen. Although we can't see the color change with our eyes, it is a big problem of pollinators like bees who are attracted to the bright colors that flowers produce. So this is the information that climate change is causing flowers to change colors also. This is the information.